Hi students, welcome to the next session. In previous session, we discussed some questions in exercise 5.1 up to 18 questions over. Just coming to 19th one. So question number 19 show that the function defined by g of x equal to x minus step x is discontinuous at all integral points. Full stop. Here step x denotes greatest integer less than or equal to x. That is the conditions given. Now here we need to show that given function g of x is discontinuous at integral means integers. At integers only this function will breaks or change the nature generally. Otherwise at integers only this will become 0. Okay. If take 1 minus step 1 minus 1 will get 0. So here I am taking condition wise while taking integer. We have several intervals, that's why I am taking x is equal to a is an integer. Because we have infinite number of integers, we are not able to verify for all integers, that's why we are taking a symbol. For LHL condition, left hand limit x tends to a minus f of g of x take here equal to limit x tends to a minus what is the function x minus fx. Already I told only in few cases we need to take for left hand limit and right hand limit. For left hand limit is x is equal to a minus h and for right hand limit is a plus h. Here the condition is what here we need to replace x value is a minus h. When x value a minus h means x tends to what is there a minus x value a means a cancel h tends to 0 minus. Changing the function limit h tends to 0 minus x value is a minus h step of a minus h. When a is an integer step of a minus h always a minus 1. So here limit h tends to 0 minus a minus h minus of a minus 1. Here a gets cancelled. Now limit h tends to 0 minus what remaining minus h minus of minus plus 1. Now by substituting limit in this, now LHL value now minus 0 plus 1 that is equal to 1. That's coming to RHL right hand limit. For right hand limit what you will take? Limit x tends to a plus g of x equal to limit x tends to a plus g of x is x minus step x. Here if these two values are equal we can say that it is a continuous, otherwise discontinuous. For RHL we need to replace x value is a plus h. H is the smallest positive integer always tending to 0. Now x tends to a plus means x value a cancel, h tends to what you will get 0. So a limit, changing limit and changing function also in terms of h. H tends to 0 plus x value is a plus h step of a plus h. Now limit h tends to 0 plus a plus h step of a plus h is always a. For a is an integer. Now here a cancel. If you substitute limit what left remaining h only. H value what? 0. Here what happened? LHL value is 1 but RHL value is 0. That's why LHL is not equal to RHL. Now, at what point we got not continuous or discontinuous? At a integer. That's why therefore g of x is discontinuous for all integral values or integers we can take. For all integers. Next, question number 20. Is the function defined by f of x equal to x square minus sin x plus 5 continuous at x equal to pi. The single function is there and have value also given. So we'll use first definition. Limit x tends to pi f of x equal to limit x tends to pi. What is f of x? X square minus sin x plus 5. Now substitute x value pi square minus sin pi plus 5. Pi square sin 180 is 0 plus 5. Now what is the value? Pi square plus 5. That is the limit value. Next function value. Function value means directly substituting in the function. What will get? Pi square minus sin pi plus 5. Same pi square minus 0 plus 5. Now what is the value you will get? Pi square plus 5. Here again limit value and function value both are same. So limit x tends to pi f of x equal to f of pi. From this what we can conclude? F is continuous at x is equal to pi. Therefore f is continuous x equal to pi. Individual also we can identify one because x square is a continuous function, sin x is a continuous function, 5 is a constant, that is also continuous function. Okay, na? Like that also we can identify overall function is continuous or not. Next, question number 21. Discuss the continuity of the following functions. In this f of x equal to sin x plus cos x. Already we know sin and cos graph both are continuously we can draw for all real numbers. That's why sin and cos both are continuous functions for all real numbers. That's why when two functions are continuous in this domain, sum of the functions also continuous. We know that sin x is continuous for all x belongs to R. Similarly, cos x is also continuous for all x belongs to R. When two functions are continuous, its sum. Sum means what? F of x equal to sin x plus cos x is also continuous for all x belongs to R. Next, B. F of x equal to sin x minus cos x. Same manner. When two functions are continuous, difference, multiple division of the functions are always continuous. Same manner we are writing here. Sin x is continuous for all x belongs to R. Cos x is continuous for all x belongs to R. Its difference. Difference means sin x minus cos x also continuous for all x belongs to R. Now last C. F of x equal to sin x into cos x. Same method, sin and cos are continuous, that's why sin into cos also continuous. This is homework. Just same two lines. Here in the place of minus write down into, that's all. It's an easy question, you can do. Next, question number 22. Find all points of discontinuity of f, comma, where f of x equal to sin x by x, x is less than 0, x plus 1 if x greater than or equal to 0. We need to verify all cases because conditions are given here. That's why we need to check left hand side, right hand side and at the point. Three cases again. First case 1, x is equal to a which is less than 0. For less than 0, only single function, that is f of x equal to sin x by x. In the place of a, you can take c symbol also, no problem. Here you have single function, that's why we'll use first definition. Limit extends to a, f of x equal to, limit extends to a, f of x is sin x by x. Substitute limit here, sin a by a. Function value f of a, sin a by a. Therefore, here limit value and function value both are equal. Limit extends to a, f of x equal to f of a. Therefore, f is continuous for all x is less than 0. Reason also simple. Sin x is a continuous function for all real numbers by x also is a continuous function. So the ratio also continuous. Next, case 2. I'll take x greater than 0, that is x is equal to a which is greater than 0. For greater than 0, what is the function is defined? X plus 1. Now we are taking again single function is present. Limit extends to a, f of x equal to, limit extends to a, what is f of x? X plus 1. Substitute x value, that is a plus 1. A can be any value more than 0, okay na? We have infinite number of values, that's why we are not able to take a particular number, that's why we are taking a symbol. Next, f of a. Substitute in that a plus 1. Here again what happened? Limit extends to a, f of x is equal to f of a. From this what we can conclude? F is a continuous function for all greater than 0. F is continuous for all x greater than 0. Case 3. At exactly 0. At x equal to 0, we want to check means we need to check LHL, RHL and f of. So first left hand limit. Limit extends to 0 minus f of x equal to, limit extends to 0 minus. 0 minus means what? X less than 0. At less than 0, what is the function is defined? Sin x by x. We have formula in first piece limits. Limit extends to 0, sin x by x value what? 1. Next, RHL. Limit extends to 0 plus f of x equal to, limit extends to 0 plus, what is f of x? X plus 1. If you substitute x value 0, 0 plus 1 is 1. Next, at exactly 0. At x equal to 0, what function? X plus 1. X value what we need to take here? 0 plus 1. Now all three values equal? Yes. LHL equal to, RHL equal to f of 0. From this you can conclude f is continuous at x equal to 0. Here they are asking find all points of discontinuity. At any point we got discontinuity? No. That's why therefore no points of discontinuity. no points of discontinuity of f. Next, question number 23. Determine if f defined by f of x equal to x square sin of 1 by x, x not equal to 0, 0 if x equal to 0, is a continuous function, is a continuous function. Now in this, we need to check it is continuous or not. X not equal to 0 means for less than 0 or greater than 0, single function only present here for both values. Here also we can use a limit of the condition. We can check for directly limit of the function equal to functional value. Now here limit extends to 0. Tending to 0 means not exactly 0, but it's approximately near to 0. Limit extends to 0, f of x equal to limit extends to 0. What is f of x? X square into sin of 1 by x. This value directly we don't know. Reason what here simple. Directly 0 means sin of 1 by 0 is infinity. Sin infinity does not exist. We don't have any value for that. For simplifying this one, we have condition. We know already what is the range of sine. Range of sine of any angle, it is minus 1 to plus 1. We need to form this function. For that multiply with x square minus x square less than or equal to x square into 1 sin of 1 by x less than or equal to x square. Now I will apply limit. What limit you are applying? Limit extends to 0 minus x square less than or equal to limit extends to 0 x square into sin of 1 by x less than or equal to limit extends to 0 x square. Apply limit here minus 0 square, that is 0 less than or equal to limit extends to 0 x square into sin of 1 by x less than or equal to 0. By sandwich theorem, when the left neighborhood and right neighborhood values are equal, 0 means the middle value whatever that is also 0. By sandwich theorem we are defining in limits. So finally what we can conclude here, limit extends to 0 x square into sin of 1 by x value clearly 0. Don't substitute directly in this case. Okay. Now limit value clearly we got 0. What limit extends to 0? X square into sin of 1 by x value. Already no problem. Next we'll find out function value. Function value means what? At exactly 0. At exactly 0, what is the function is there? 0. That's why limit value and function value both are clearly 0. That's why we can conclude f is a continuous at x equal to 0. Therefore, f is continuous at x equal to 0. Next, coming to next question, question number 24. Examine the continuity. Examine the continuity of f, comma, where f is defined by f of x equal to sin x minus cos x where x not equal to 0 minus 1 where x equal to 0. Same method here also, limit of the function and function value. Where limit extends to 0 f of x equal to limit extends to 0 f of x value what? Sin x minus cos x. Here directly we can find out, substitute x value in this, sin 0 minus cos 0. Sin 0 is 0, cos 0 is 1, total limit value is minus 1. Next f of 0. F of 0 means at exactly 0, what is the function? Minus 1. Let's say from this we can conclude what here, limit value equal to function value. Now finally what we can conclude? F is continuous at x equal to 0. So next models, very important for 4 marks. Find the values of k so that the function f is continuous at the indicated point in exercises from 25 to 28. 4 questions are there. These 4 questions are very important. Question number 25. The given function f of x like this: k cos x by pi minus 2x if x not equal to pi by 2. 3. If x equal to pi by 2 is continuous at already continuous is given. We need to find k value in this. It is a most repeated question in the overall if you conduct in annual exam. This question is repeated many times. Now what they given here? Given that f is continuous at x equal to pi by 2. Here which formula we need to apply? That is the main doubt we'll get. Here less than greater than is not there. That's why we'll use first formula. Limit of the function already x tends to means it is approximately near to a value. A value what? Pi by 2. That's why it's not exactly pi by 2, but we'll consider it as a pi by 2 value. That's why we'll use first definition only. Limit x tends to a means what? Pi by 2. F of x equal to f of pi by 2. Why I am taking starting only this condition? Already they given f is a continuous function. Now your limit x tends to pi by 2. Now easy method means you can substitute value here k cos x by pi minus 2x. F of pi by 2. At pi by 2 what is the value? 3. We can do in 2 ways, but easy method means simple. We can do within 3 steps. Limit x tends to pi by 2. K into cos x, I can write sin of 90 minus x. Sin of pi by 2 minus theta is cos theta. In this I will take 2 is common. If you take 2 common, what you will get? Pi by 2 minus x equal to 3. Now from this I will consider pi by 2 minus x is some y. Now limit also we need to change. Now that's why here x tends to pi by 2 means if x is a pi by 2 minus pi by 2 0. Now y tends to will get 0. That's why from this what we can change here? Limit y tends to 0 k sin pi by 2 minus x means y by 2 into y equal to 3. Now k by 2 is constant, take common. Limit y tends to 0 sin y by y equal to 3. Now limit x tends to 0, sin x by x form is there, that's why value clearly 1. So what we can take here? K by 2 into 1 equal to 3, k into 1 k, cross multiply. Now 2 3s are 6 is the answer for this question. Next, question number 26. F of x equal to kx square, comma if x less than or equal to 2, 3 if x greater than 2 is continuous at x equal to 2. Here we need to use which definition? Because less than greater than is there in the function, that's why you need to use second definition. That is what they given that f is continuous at x equal to 2. That means what? LHL equal to RHL equal to f of 2. This is a condition when f is a continuous when the conditions are given here, like less than, greater than conditions. First, LHL means what? Limit extends to 2 minus f of x equal to limit extends to 2 plus f of x equal to f of 2 means at x equal to 2, what is the function? Later we can take here at next step. F of 2 only write down. Now take the functions limit extends to 2 minus. 2 minus what is the condition? X is less than 2. At less than 2 what is the function is there? Kx square. Limit extends to 2 plus. 2 plus means x greater than 2. What is the function is there? 3. F of 2 means at x equal to 2 what is the function? Kx square. K into x value 2. 2 square. Substitute x value 2 here. K into 2 square equal to here 3 only. Here 4k. Again 2 square is 4. 4k equal to 3 equal to 4k. 4k 2 times came, just take only once. 4k equal to 3. From this k value 3 by 4 is the value of k. Next 27 f of x equal to set of first condition kx plus 1 if x less than or equal to pi cos x if x greater than pi is continuous at x equal to pi. We need to find k value. Here also same model, given that f is continuous at x equal to pi. That means what? LHL equal to RHL equal to f of pi. LHL means what? Limit extends to pi minus f of x. First this statement compulsory we need to write ma, then only we can substitute f of x value. A pi plus f of x, f of pi. Now your limit extends to pi minus. Pi minus means the x is less than pi. Less than pi, what is the function? Kx plus 1 equal to limit extends to pi plus. Pi plus means x greater than pi. What is the function? Cos x. F of pi means at x equal to pi. What is the function? Kx plus 1. Here x value is pi. That is k pi plus 1. Substitute here also pi minus. That minus symbol represent the value of x is less than pi or less than a or left hand limit condition. Pi only substitute. Don't substitute pi minus pi plus like that. K pi plus 1 equal to cos pi equal to k pi plus 1. K pi plus 1 2 times repeated, just take only once. K pi plus 1 equal to cos pi. Now k pi plus 1 equal to cos pi value minus 1. K pi equal to, send this one that side, minus 1 is minus 2. K value is minus 2 by pi. Next, question number 28. F of x equal to kx plus 1 if x less than or equal to 5. 3x minus 5 if x greater than 5 is continuous at x equal to 5. Here also same condition, LHL, RHL, same property you are using here also. No changes. Now given that f is continuous at x equal to 5. Here also less than greater than is involved in the function. That's why I'll use already continuous is given. That's why I'll use LHL equal to RHL equal to f of 5. LHL means what? Limit extends to 5 minus f of x equal to limit extends to 5 plus f of x equal to f of 5. Now limit extends to 5 minus. 5 minus means what? The value of x is less than 5. At x less than 5, what is the function? Kx plus 1 equal to limit extends to 5 plus. 5 plus means x is greater than 5. What is the function? 3x minus 5. F of 5 means at x equal to 5, what is the function? Kx plus, that is a k into 5 plus 1. Substitute here x value 5 ma, k into 5 what? 5k plus 1 equal to 3 5s are 15 minus 5 equal to 5k plus 1. 5k plus 1 2 times repeated, take once is enough. 5k plus 1 equal to 15 minus 5, that is 10. 5k equal to, send 1 that side, 10 minus 1 9, k value 9 by 5. Next, question number 29. This is also important for 4 marks. Very, very important. Find the values of A and B such that the function defined by f of x equal to, first condition 5, if x less than or equal to 2, ax plus b, if 2 less than x less than 10, 21 if x greater than or equal to 10, is a continuous function. But they not mention the point. But how to identify at which point we need to take here? They define at 2 and 10. That's why it is a overall function is continuous, means at which points it is defined, at that point we will consider as a function is a continuous. That's why we will consider at 2 is a continuous, at 10 is a continuous. Now here first, given that f is continuous at 2, f is continuous at x equal to 2. Here also less than greater, so LHL equal to RHL equal to f of 2. Same method, limit extends to 2 minus f of x equal to limit extends to 2 plus f of x equal to f of 2. Substitute the function. Limit extends to 2 minus. 2 minus means x less than 2. What is the function? 5. Limit extends to 2 plus. 2 plus means what? X is greater than 2, or we can take it as 2 is less than x. Which is more? X value is more than 2. What is the function? Ax plus b. F of 2. At x equal to 2 also, what is the function? 5. Now here, can't replace 2 here because only constant. Substitute here 2, a into 2, that is 2a plus b equal to 5. From this, 2a plus b equal to 5, take it as equation number 1. Next, we'll take another condition. F is continuous at x equal to 10. LHL, RHL, f of 10 we can take. Otherwise, we can take directly this also. Limit extends to 10 minus. This is called LHL. Limit extends to 10 plus. This is called RHL. F of 10 means function value. Limit extends to 10 minus. 10 minus means what? The value of x is less than 10. At less than 10, what is the function is there? Ax plus b. So limit extends to 10 plus. 10 plus means x is greater than 10. Greater than 10, what is the function? 21. At f of 10 also 21. At equal to 10 also. Substitute x value 10 here. 10 into a or a into 10. 10a plus b equal to 21, that is equal to 21. 21 2 times repeated. So take only once. 10a plus b equal to 21. This is equation number 2. Now we need to solve 1 and 2. Solving 1 and 2. Now what? First equation 2a plus b equal to 5. 10a plus b equal to 21. Minus minus minus. 2a minus 10a, that is minus 8a. 5 minus 21 minus 16. Minus minus cancel. A is equal to 16 by a, that is 2. Next, to find b, I will substitute in first equation from 1. From 1, a is 2. 2 2s are 4. Plus b equal to 5. Send 4 that side. 5 minus 4, that is 1. So a value 2, b value 1. Next, question number 30. Show that the function defined by f of x equal to cos of x square is a continuous function. Is a continuous function. Now already we use composition concept. When any two functions are continuous, then composition between two functions also continuous. In f circle G, if we take, where f is continuous at C, G is continuous at, for example, G is continuous at C, f is continuous at G of C. If you take f circle G condition, in f circle G of x, he is continuous, how to check means, G is continuous at C and f is continuous at G of C. Finally, f circle G is continuous at C point or C or A, anything. Okay. Now we have two functions combination. Cos is a trigonometry, x square is a algebraic function. Now in f of x equal to cos of x square, I will make into two functions. First, g of x is cos x and h of x is x square. This is cos x graph. Clearly we know it is always continuous. It is a parabola. Parabola also, there is no breaks in graph. It is continuously we can draw. It is continuous for all real numbers. This is also continuous for all real numbers. That's why we know that g of x is equal to cos x, h of x is equal to x square are continuous for all x belongs to R. For all real numbers, it is continuous. Now, we need to prove finally it is a continuous for remaining. Now, what I am taking, G circle h of x, G of h of x, G of what is h of x? X square. This value substitute in G of x in the place of x, cos of x square. That's why this cos of x square nothing but what? F of x is also continuous for all x belongs to R. That's all. Next, question number 31. Show that the function defined by f of x equal to mod of cos x, modulus of cos x is a continuous function. Is a continuous function. Same here, composition concept only. Outer function is modulus function, inner function is cos x. Here f of x is given modulus of cos x. I will make two functions in this. Let g of x is mod x and h of x is cos x. One is outer function form, another one is inner function form. Modulus function, you know graph, it's a V shape will get, it's continuously we can draw, two straight lines combination, cos x already continuous function, that's why for all real numbers, we know that g of x is equal to mod x, h of x is equal to cos x or continuous for all x belongs to real numbers. Because any real number I could take, for all real number we can draw the graph continuously without breaks. Okay, that's why G circle h of x also is a continuous. G of h of x, from this we need to generate f of x. This is which one? Cos x. This cos x we need to substitute in G in the place of x. So modulus of cos x, this is nothing but which one? F of x is also continuous for all x belongs to R. Show that the function defined by f of x is equal to sine of mod x is a continuous function. Same here, outer function is sine, inner function is mod x. That's why in this we make it as two functions. F of x is sine of mod x. Let us consider g of x is sine x and h of x is mod x. Now here sine x is a curve, clearly we know it is a continuous graph. It is also modulus function, V shape will get. It is also continuous for all real numbers. So clearly we know that g of x is equal to sine x, comma h of x is equal to mod x are continuous for all x belongs to R. Now its composition also gives continuous only. G circle h of x, g of what is h of x? Mod x. This value substitute in g function in the place of x. Sine of mod x. Sine of mod x nothing but f of x is also continuous function or continuous for all x belongs to R. Find all the points of discontinuity of f defined by f of x equal to mod x minus modulus of x plus 1. Here we need to find all points of discontinuity. For checking for points of discontinuity or continuous, method is same only. We will verify for the continuous concept. In that process, we can identify which points are discontinuity points. Now what is f of x is given? Mod x and mod of x plus 1. Here I will consider here mod x is clearly continuous function, mod of x plus 1 also continuous. That's why we know that mod x is continuous for all x belongs to R. Similarly, mod of x plus 1 is also continuous for all x belongs to R. When two functions are continuous for the domain real numbers, its difference also continuous. That means mod x minus mod of x plus 1 is also continuous for the same domain for all real numbers. Here mod x minus of mod of x plus 1 is a continuous, means it is a which function? F of x. Therefore f of x is continuous for all x belongs to R. I think for 4 marks this much only enough, because we know the condition mod function, mod of x plus 1 both are continuous for all real numbers, means difference also continuous. Only these 4 steps is enough, you will get 4 marks. A continuity concept is over and problem examples and exercise problems. Tomorrow we'll start differentiability. Thank you.